Today is going to be our third lesson. We've had two previous lessons. The first one was on indenture, the sort of things you would have to know in an indenture. The second was some due diligence, what and what you have to do if you want to buy land. Today we are going to talk about lease. I'm sure you've heard this word over and over and over again. What does it mean? Lease in its simplest form, or for lack of better words, means rent. So just like you would go and pay rent for an apartment, it's the same with land acquisition. And so if you buy land, the land can be given to you for a number of years. That is what lease means. And so if you were Ghanaian and you buy land in Ghana, you have a maximum lease period of 99 years. That is the maximum, unless otherwise stated. That's if it's going to be a freehold. Yes, but if that is not stated, then by default, you have a maximum lease period of 99 years. If you're a foreigner buying a land in Ghana, you have a maximum lease period of 50 years. You should have this on your fingertips because it's going to help you a lot. Why would you want to bother yourself about lease and what it means and all of that? Now, here is the trick. If you want to buy land from me, it could be that I also bought the land from someone else, okay? And so if the first person who bought the land had a maximum lease period of 99 years and they kept the land for, let's say, 10 years, it's going to be 99 years minus the period, the number of years they kept the land. So possibly the one I bought the land from had hers for, let's say, 89 years because it's going to be 99 minus 10. So they're going to have a maximum lease period of 89 years. I bought the land from them and I also kept it for 15 years. So it's going to be 89 minus 15 years. And so if I have to sell the land to you, you are going to get a lease period of 89 minus 15. That is the number of years you're going to get the land for. And so after that period, you would have to go back to the owner of the land to renegotiate with him. So you pay for the land again. That is what it means, because your rent has expired. I hope you get the concept. So the notion that once you buy a land, you've purchased it for good, like for a lifetime, that notion doesn't work anymore. And so you should at all times ask the lease period, how many years is left on that particular land. All other things being equal, if a land has a lease period of, let's say, 90 years, and another land has a lease period of 50 years, then of course the 90 years land should sell more or at a higher price than the land with a 50-year lease period. You should know these basic mathematics. So you just don't